cut these 3 blocks here, and those are going to get glued in here for our neck when we get ready. So we're going to glue these together for now. We'll get these glued together and let them sit and dry, and then we'll glue this into the neck and move on with the other pieces. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. But I'll let this set up real good overnight, and then we'll glue it inside for our neck piece. Just going to make this a little snug till we get both sides clipped in where we want it, and then we'll tighten it up. Just wipe the excess glue off and set it up and let it dry. Now after this sets up and dries, we'll sand it down so it's smooth, then we'll mount it into the neck. Thanks for watching.